now we're trying out clothing and we're at Kohl's. She's helping me out because like I don't know how to shop for myself, so it'll be fun. After this, we're gonna go to a chiropractor and crack our back. So hopefully everything goes good. Haley is also with us, and she's buying a senior present for her. I have to distract her for a couple of hours, so it'll be fun. Hope you guys enjoy.
They're stress balls. This is so cool. A corgi in a dragon costume.
Not as cool as this though.
That's cute. Look at this one. It's not lion.
Okay, we'll be back in an hour. We're really interested right now. See you guys in a bit. I lost Sailor. She's probably still over there. I'm gonna check real quick. It's cool. She just ditches me and stays there the whole time, so.
Look how big the lemon is. Like this is.
It's so fascinating.
Actually so stretchy.
Yo, maybe I need to get one of these so when I cut weight, you know,
oh my God,
I can
that's
pretend
so
like
sad.
I eat.
That's the saddest thing I've ever heard.
Yeah, that's okay.
They don't smell though.
Yeah, that's perfect. I can just look at it and be happy because I can't really eat it.
Wrestlers are psychopaths. So.
Yeah, we are. Look at these mugs.
So much better than clothes. I'm gonna take this out of the box real quick.
Okay.
Get a better look.
It's okay.
I'm determined. We can do it.
Okay, we can do it. It's like one of the workers walk by. They probably think we're shoplifting because I'm recording. It's like.
Okay, wait. No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yo, it's the golden toilet.
That's so good. Oh,
I might buy one.
that's perfect.
Yo guys, this price is ridiculous. Okay, we're just gonna check this out real quick.
This one's $30.
This one's $30, but this one, $600. What the heck? Hey, you think we should carry it around?
No.
No, I think that's a great idea.
I don't think I could even carry it.
Or we can cut a hole here and you could go
Climb
inside.
inside?
Yes. Comment below because I might do that for a future video. You never know. So.
$600.
$600 just for you guys. So usually I don't go shopping, so this is like a whole new world to me. So yeah.
They're actually dope. Kind of interesting.
Okay, I think it's funny. We're stopping at every shoe here. Okay, so my merch that's coming out pretty soon is like that baby blue, and it's gonna look good, and I can't wait.
I want a new pair of Vans, but I don't have money.
All right, so I guess we're leaving Kohl's now. Haley got the gift. Pretty good. I wish I got a gift, but it's okay. We don't need one for me.
Come cheer at West Liberty.
Okay, I will. So Nick Moore is joining us today, so we're looking for him right now. Okay, he's buying makeup, right? He is right there. Look at that.
Hi guys. What's going on, guys? We're out here in Kohl's, and I'm not sure what we're doing, but we're here.
So he's rocking the shades. I approve of the shades. It's pretty nice.
You're so funny.
She didn't like them, so she gave them to me.
Nice.
Why
That
do you
way.
pretend like you know how to be a chiropractor?
Yeah, Nick's a chiropractor. What are you
Like 5
talking?
times.
Yeah.
And it's gonna scare you, but it's gonna feel so good after. You're gonna feel like you don't have any bones in your body.
I need my back cracked this bad.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm not. I'm still scared. I might scream like a little girl, but it's all good. All right, guys. So we're here now with Haley. She finished shopping, so that's kind of good. So what? Do you want to tell the camera what you got? Because she might be watching this. So I don't know.
Okay, as long as she doesn't watch right now. That's
Okay, all right.
I just got senior baskets
Okay.
and candy.
Thank you.
And we got letters with pictures on them
Mm-hmm.
for all the seniors. They're really big, so that's what I got.
No. She didn't get me anything, because...
You don't cheer. You can cheer if you like. We have a
Maybe.
basketball season.
Okay, all right. I'm scared. I've never done anything like this in my life, so...
Either. You can actually die from getting your back cracked. Like if he
Does it wrong?
cracks it wrong, you can die. Because it's your spinal cord.
Oh my
and
gosh.
If it like gets your brainstem or something, you can die.
I'm scared now. I kind of don't want to do this anymore.
It'll feel good.
Okay.
It'll hurt for a second. It'll feel good. If he cracks your neck, you could actually really die because he could break your neck.
Yeah, it's okay. He's a professional. You know, he's licensed, so
Yeah,
I'm
but
not too worried.
even though like licensed people do it all the time, they kill people on accident. They do.
Yo, we're not doing this vlog anymore. We're gonna. Nah, we'll pull through it. I'm not a wuss. I'm not a wuss.
I am.
I am a wuss, but. All right, so we're pulling up now. So we're here. This is the office. Hi, great to meet you.
What's going on?
You guys ready for this?
I told him he was gonna die.
Yeah, I'm gonna die apparently. What the crap? Alright.
That's light work.
Just relax.
This is something like I've never experienced before.
Are you okay?
All on video.
Oh, Sailor's stuff on the plate.
Right.
All right, anything you want to say before?
I need this.
Okay.
Oh,
Ew.
that felt so
Other side. Relax. Awesome. Flat on your back. Close your eyes and relax. Good job.
I know. If I scream, I'm sorry. Okay.
Don't do
Yeah,
Flat on your back.
Okay, so.
There you go. Okay. Just relax,
Okay,
brother. I got
relax,
you.
relax. Okay.
Chris, you could die. Stop. You're in there.
Let it go.
Ow. Am I doing this right?
Just relax.
Just relax, bro. Damn.
You know,
Nice.
like
Other
an
side.
old dude.
Oh, it's good for you. Good the other side.
You're thick, bro. Damn, Chris.
Relax your head back. Relax yourself. Nice. Flat on your back.
Oh god. My biggest fear.
Good. Just close your eyes and relax. Pretend like you're sleeping. Let your shoulders go. Same thing. Relax, relax.
Oh, that was really loud. What?
You've officially got your first adjustment.
What? That was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to Mr. Shore.
My pleasure to help out.
Okay, all right.
Guys, have
cool.
a great day.
Yeah, hey, make sure if you ever get your back cracked, go here. Okay, I'll put the location on the description. Like and subscribe.